Good morning guys, welcome to sunny and beautiful Albania. I'm still here in the capital, Tirana. But today we're going out of the city. We're going to make a little trip to Mount Dajti. Dajti is a mountain range not so far from Tirana. We're gonna take a bus now and then we're gonna take a cable car. First thing we gotta do is actually find the bus. I've been looking around for like 10 minutes and I need to find the bus to Porcelan, but so far I haven't seen it yet. So maybe it's here. We can actually see the mountains up there. Dajti is here. Dajti?
Dajti.
Yes? This is the bus, guys, number 11. There are many people. I'll go in the front so I can pay. I can pay for a ticket. This bus is full, guys. I tried to pay, but he didn't want my money, so I guess we're riding for free. So apparently I have to buy the ticket from this guy here. Now one ticket is 40 lek, which is less than 40 euro cents.
Dajti Ekspres.
Thank you. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, we got off the bus. And now we have to walk. I'm not exactly sure what way, but the guy showed me this way, so let's go there. The bus stop is not actually where the cable car starts, so when you get off the bus, you have the choice: you walk 15 minutes or you wait for a shuttle bus. I don't know when the shuttle bus comes. I've been told it comes every 30 minutes. But I like a little walk, so we're just gonna walk up this hill here to the start of the cable car. And behind me you can see all the other people who also came by bus and are also walking to the cable car. We are really in the outskirts of Tirana now, between the center and the actual mountain. And we just have to follow the signs here. Dajti Ekspres. Dajti Ekspres is the name of the cable car to go up to the top of the mountain. And at the top there's a restaurant, there is a beautiful viewpoint, of course. There is even mini golf and adventure park. Plenty of activities to do. But first let's try to reach the cable car. We go up and then we will see what we can do there. We are really leaving the habitated area of Tirana. We're walking towards the mountain and here in the end we can already see the building. Again, it's a very hot day here in Tirana. Must be 33, 34 degrees. Full sun, blue sky. Not a single cloud in the sky. We are arriving at the entrance. Dajti Ekspres. Live, laugh, enjoy. And here we can see actually the mini golf. You can also do some skating. You have like the panoramic view there, which has a restaurant as well. Let's get our ticket from the ticket booth. Hello, one return ticket, please. 1,400?
1,400.
Yes. 1,000. Up. Thank you. Where's the entrance? Upstairs? This is the ticket. 1,400 for a return ticket on the Dajti Ekspres. Now we go up here. Enter. Hirja in Albanian apparently. We go up the stairs here and we come straight to the cable car. And wow, look at the view here already. Woo. Pretty nice if you see the view here. I wonder how the view will be from up there. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Thank you.
Return tickets. 4 back.
4?
Back.
Okay. Thank you. I can go there. Thank you. 6 o'clock. All right. Here we go, guys. So this is my ticket to return. And the last one is back at 6 p.m. That shouldn't be a problem. And we are all alone in the cabin. I guess the doors will close soon. Actually, they're closing right now. I love cable cars. I'm also a bit afraid in them. I don't want to get stuck somewhere high above the sky. Ooh, speeding up here. And there we go, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, wow. So quiet. It almost feels like flying, like paragliding. It's also So smooth. I have a little breeze coming in through the windows here. It's really needed. Let's show you the view from the outside. Wow. On this sign here we can see that this cable car was made in Switzerland in 2006. So yeah, Swiss quality that should be good and reliable. It looks like we're first going down before going all the way up there to the mountain. And these little parts where we go over the pillars, those are the scariest one. Like the cabin starts moving a lot before it's letting you flow again. Scary and exciting at the same time. I do have a fear of heights, but this one is okay. It looks pretty modern, pretty new. We have some people here. I don't know if they're gonna wave to us. Hi. Here we can see the shadows of the cabins. I think that's my shadow there, that one. This area behind me here, it's so green and so lush. All these white little spots there, they're all goats. Just roaming around in the mountains of Albania. Look at these views here. We are really high up now. We can see a very big lake there. And all of this is the city of Tirana. This is the end station. We made it to the top of Mount Dajti. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Damn guys, I didn't expect that. Alibaba, open the doors please. Yes, thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's come out. It's much colder up here. That feels good. These are all the different things we can do here. We have the Belvedere Hotel. Apparently there's like a lounge bar as well. You can do roller skating. Something with the chicken. The mini golf. You have the couples heart with the locks. Some beehives, a telescope. Here we can go paragliding as well. Let's go to the photo balcony. There's a playground, amusement park, and of course the mini golf and the adventure park. Let's first look for the place to make a picture. Should be this way according to the signs. You can also come by car if you want, and you can just park here. We are arriving at the viewpoint, guys. Are you ready for the magnificent view over Tirana? There it is, guys. Whoa! Wow! Nice, right? That is amazing. Ooh, and you can really feel that we're like much higher than all of the surroundings here. That is beautiful. We have that lake there, we have another lake there. It's a quite spread out city we can see now. And here we can see the cable car coming up. So we came all the way there over that little hill. Somewhere down there must be the station down in the city. Wow guys, feels so good. There's a little breeze up here. Other people are making a picture now. There we have one of those selfie machines, like we did in Tirana in the center at the castle. Let's continue here while the cable cars are literally flying above our head here, bringing new people up to Mount Dajti. This must be the panoramic cafe. Let's go have a look if we can have a little juice up there. Look how nice it is up here, guys. It's really well maintained. You can go skating here. You have all the flowers. Oh, we have a little fountain here. Let's go up. Whoa, the rooftop is closed and the lounge bar is also closed. I guess we can go up. Lounge bar closed. Damn, that's the second time. The rotating bar in the center of Tirana was also closed. We're really not lucky here in Tirana. Well, with the lounge bars. Besides that, everything is going great. Wow. I have to put on my sunglasses again. There we go, that's better. Okay, what can we do next? Mini golf? I would do mini golf, but I'm on my own, so it's a bit stupid, right? What else do we have? Guess we'll get a drink in the balcony Dajti. The couple's heart, I didn't see it. I must have passed it. Maybe you have to go down here. Yeah, here it is. Couple's heart. Single man going to the couple's heart. Let's see how many people have found love. Wow. it just me, or is seeing these cable cars pass by one of the most peaceful things you can do? I don't know, this feeling, it's like brings me to rest. Here we are at the couple's heart. Nick and Phil, Tirana 2022. Wow, they really made an effort. They have a whole engraving and everything. Did they know that before coming here? Or maybe you can buy it somewhere here. All the other ones seemed like more of an improvisation. JC 2018. Wow, some of them have been up here for a long time. People make them before they come and then they just hang them somewhere. People really come prepared. There is a little path here off the beaten track, like this is the paved road. Let's see where this leads to. If you know me, you know I'm always up for a little adventure. Come up to some rocks here, more rocky area. Doesn't really lead to somewhere, but let's have a quick look. This is also pretty nice to have like the viewpoint between the leaves of the trees. Wow. If you guys come to Tirana, I absolutely advise to come here. Especially today, it's pretty quiet as well. It's not like super busy. I keep seeing the same people up here. I think there must be like 20, 30 people up here now. When you come in the summer months, it's probably super busy, and also in the weekends and the school holidays. Unfortunately, the panoramic lounge is closed, but we still have this Balcony Dajti, which should be a bar with a beautiful view. Let's have a look if they have some nice juices. Hey, hello there, you can see me. Oh. It's only eating, or you can have a drink here as well? No drinks here? No, only eating. So they don't allow to just have a drink here. Let's do it differently then. We're gonna grab a drink here at the self-service, and then we're gonna find ourselves a nice spot with a beautiful view. Not in a bar, but just by ourselves. Let's see, what do they have here? I'll take a little straw here. Let's take a big one. Thank you, sir. Okay guys, we have our iced latte. And now we're gonna find ourselves a nice spot with a beautiful view. See, they're cleaning up the place here. The guys picking the bad flowers to keep the place nice and clean. That's good. But they also should have a bar with a nice view. They're all closed. Cheers, guys. The guy is playing mini golf. Let's see how he does. Oh. Hole in one. It's easier in mini golf than in a real golf, of course. There's a nice bench here. Let's sit down there. We have found our spot, guys, with our iced latte. So good. And this is the view. It's a little obstructed by the fence, but it's a nice and peaceful view. And we have a lot of people here, but it's still quiet. We have found a little kitty here. Come, come, little kitty. Come. Little kitty is scared. Alright guys, I've seen there's an adventure park here. I'm really scared of all these adventure things when there's height involved. But I also want to challenge myself, so let's go have a look and maybe I will do it. It's time to face my fears. This is the way to the adventure park. It looks like we're not the only one. It looks like there are plenty of things up here. I thought that was it, like the panorama and everything like that. But yeah, we're going to the adventure Dajti. I hope it's not too far of a walk here. I was assuming I could walk there, but I have no idea where this road is leading me to. Even getting to the adventure park is already a little adventure. We're actually doing a nice forest walk here to the adventure park. I hope it's here. There's some kind of sign. I can't really see what it is yet. It's very peaceful here. And a lot of shade with trees. So it feels good. Seems like this side road leads us to the adventure park. Dajti Adventure Park. These are the different courses they have. They have like for the kids 5 to 7, then 8 plus. And then you have only 16 plus quick jump and zip line. I'm already getting nervous. Zip line is okay because I just have to hang and cannot do much. But if there's a big height and I need to do something myself, I can like freeze. My body can freeze. Even if my mind says, Martin, do it, the body says no. I finally found the entrance to the Dajti Adventure Park. Hello.
5 levels and zip line, complete 2 hours.
And the price?
1,600.
Quick jump is closed, but we can do the zip line and some other things. It's going to take 2 hours to complete the whole tour. Now we're going here to the changing room. Is first the zip line or zip line in the end?
In the end.
Is in the end.
Each level has a zip line in the end.
Okay, good, perfect. Okay. Ready to go. Okay guys, we're at the starting level here. Oh guys, for me that's already pretty scary. Oh wow, we have a horse running by here. Pretty cool. Let's go around here. All right guys, we're gonna do another zip line here. Let's go. Okay guys, we have completed 2 levels. There are 5 levels in total, but I already know that level 4 is too much for me. I'm shaking from stress already. You know, the zip line, that's okay, I just sit and go. But when I have to be in control, that's so hard. So we're gonna go up here now, level 3. This goes all the way up there, and then there's always a zip line in the end. So we're gonna climb up here. We have to attach ourselves always. Actually, you have to do everything yourself. So the guys are there chilling, barely watching. Level 3, here we go. We have to start with this thing, and then on those things there, all the way up there. I'm trying just not to think here and just go. Okay guys, we just did this one. Very difficult, but so glad I did it. With some instructions from the guys here. They said that this was the most difficult one, so now we continue here. Alright guys, I finished level 3, and I honestly think that's gonna be the last one. Finish. We did like a series of 5 zip lines here. Some of them go very high and very fast as well, so I couldn't hold the camera. In the end I had to like grab a rope, otherwise I would go back to the middle and they had to come save me. But so cool. I completed 3 levels. 4 and 5 were too much for me. Let's change and go back down. I'm so happy I did that, guys. That's what life's about. You have to conquer your fears every time, put another step. I'm not there yet. I didn't do the 2 hardest levels, but I'm so proud I did it until level 3. Definitely wouldn't have dared to do that before. I would have stopped, I would have frozen, and now I was like, I'm gonna do it. Stop thinking and start doing. You have to do everything yourself, so you're in control, which is also a bit scary because I'm afraid to do something wrong. I'm walking back now to the cable car to go back down from Mount Dajti. There we can see the Panorama Hotel. Here we have all the horses. So beautiful. Okay guys, we're walking back down to the bus stop the same way we came up. I took the cable car. Now we're going to take a local bus back to the center of Tirana. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you as well if you plan to come here. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I will try to answer them. Like, subscribe, share, you know what to do. And I hope to see you guys for the next video here from Albania. Ciao!